Hey guys, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I was checking the hunting knife. I just sharpened it. There's nothing better than a sharp knife. I never figured out what we could do with this on the show, but that's okay. We're going to go start cooking, so join us in the kitchen. We're on the set, you know what I mean? If you're waiting on me, you're loafing. Join us. I got beautiful shrimps. I got toasted sesame cannabis oil. Every bottle of oil in my house is cannabinized. Okay? And this is the kind you would use for Asian cooking. And I'm just gonna keep them here for a while. And look at that. Very quick. But I'm making the dressing for the salad in this pan, okay? So when it's done, I'm dumping it. There we go. I'm on 4. I'm gonna bring it up to 4.5, okay? Poopers. All right. I got some Worcestershire. Doesn't seem very Oriental, does it? Or Asian, but I gotta tell you, when the Brits ruled over Asia, India and all that, they brought their Worcestershire with them. So I think it applies. That's soy sauce, low sodium. Here's some mirin. All right, I don't medicate the mirin. You could, but no, I'm not going to put any salt in here because obviously we have Worcestershire and we've got, you know, soy sauce, which is salty, even though I use low sodium. Okay. Now, see how the shrimps are taken. And these weren't large shrimps. No. You know, you could buy a under 12 if you want or whatever, but no, these are small to medium. And they're gonna cook right through, just like that. People don't freak out about your seafood, your fish. You could take it off a little bit early because there's residual heat in the meat. It's going to continue to steam. There's nothing you can do about that unless you plunge it into ice water, and you don't want to do that. So don't freak out. These look pretty translucent. They're pink, they're orange, and that's a beautiful, beautiful dressing. So let me get that off, okay? Let me get that off the side here. And yeah, if I could center this here. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Bring it there. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm dumping the shrimp along with the warm dressing. And I made this dish. It was a regular at the tap room that I managed the back of the house in Wisconsin. I tell you, this was very popular. I made it with chorizo only. I made it with shrimp. We had a license where we couldn't use raw, so I had to use like par cooked. We made it even with Canadian bacon, andouille, whatever people wanted, man. So, but this is shrimp, this is great. So grab your free e-cookbook. You've been seeing the graphics along the way, and you go up there to the comment section, and there's a pinned comment from us, and you click the link and it'll get you the cookbook. You'll have it within 30 seconds, okay? No games, no strings attached. Take the cookbook, 125 barbecue cannabis recipes. When it gets warmer out, we're gonna do one recipe at a time. We're building our library here, okay? So we're not batch loading any of our you know, 40 at a time. Right now we got 93 videos, okay? And we just got on. So we're building a library, we're sustainable here. So grab your free e-cookbook, it's on us, all right? Don't want your money, not at all. All right, so on that note, guys, have a great time, whatever you're gonna do. Me, I'm cleaning up, I'm rolling some doobies, and I'm going to the basement and watching some, I don't know what I'm watching, okay? But anyway, hopefully you're watching us. So we'll see you next time on #StraightPoop. We'll see you, poopers.